Hi, I'm a PhD student in Interpreting Studies at Shanghai International Studies University, Shanghai, China. In this video, I'm going to help you familiarize with the corpus tool Wordless and hopefully give you some ideas how to utilize this tool to help with the research. As you could see on its loading screen, Wordless is an integrated corpus tool with multilingual support for the study of language, literature, and translation. I decided to start the development of this tool at the end of my first year as an MA student at CSU, since I was unhappy with the features and functions of other widely used corpus tools like Wordsmith and nconc. Firstly, some tips about downloading. Wordless is completely free and open source. Source codes are hosted on GitHub, where you can also download the packaged version of the software. I'll put the link of the homepage in the video description for you to click on it. I've done some localization work on the homepage so Chinese users can click here to switch to the Chinese version if you find it difficult to read English. Now, scroll down the page and find the section Download. Wordless has full cross-platform support, so make sure to download the release that matches the operating system on your computer. The latest version currently is 3.2.0, which will be used throughout this tutorial. It supports Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, 11, Mac OS 10.11 or later, and Ubuntu 16.04 or later. It should also work on Debian 9 or later, but is not tested. Note that only 64-bit operating systems are supported. Both Intel-based and Apple Silicon-based Macs are supported. Chinese users may try downloading from Baidu NetDisk since connections with GitHub might be too slow in China. If you have any problems downloading the file, you may send me an email and let me know which operating system you're using. I'll send you the file as an attachment. After the file has been downloaded, follow the guidelines listed on the right to start up the program. If you encounter any problems, please refer to the notes at the bottom and see if any of them fixes the issue. Mac users should pay attention to Note 2 and Linux users should pay attention to Note 3. If the program still won't open or you want to use Wordless on other Linux distributions such as Fedora and OpenSUSE, please do not hesitate to contact me for support. You may find the information listed in the section Need Help useful for you. These include links to the official documentation and tutorial videos and my email address. I'll post on the WeChat official account of Wordless when new releases are available. If you're going to publish a work that uses Wordless, please cite properly. Citations in APA and MLA format are provided here for your reference. If you are going to develop software based on the source codes of Wordless, you are required to follow the GPL v3 license. If you are willing to contribute codes or sponsor my future development work, please refer to the links and QR codes here. The last section is acknowledgements, where you can find information about all third-party libraries used by Wordless.